Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are here with a new unboxing video. So we are purchased another slime kit from online. So we are going to do the unboxing. So let's do the unboxing. So let's open it. So here's the slime kit. So guys, so this is the slime kit. So here's our gum. So they are given 3 gums, and here's the activator. And these are the extra additional glitter, 6 bottles of glitter. So this is the slime kit. This is the slime kit. So the clear glow is 100 ml, and the slime activator is 200 ml, and they are given 6 little bottles. So in the upcoming videos we'll be making slime with this kit. So hope you all like watching this video. So who are watching to our channel newly, please subscribe, and thank you for watching. So bye.